All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Thursday, February 11th, and these are your bell ringer problems. All right, so number 13, we need to write 300,000, 50,000, 4,000, 890, and 3 as a standard number. And so the way that you can do that is you can just turn this into an addition problem. And what's really awesome is that you just bring the number straight down. So you're going to get 354,893. Okay, number 14, we need to look at 47 divided by 5. I know that 5 cannot go into 4. I know that 5 can go into 47 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract it out, I'm left with 2. This would normally, in 4th grade, we might have called this 9 remainder 2, but we do not do remainders anymore, so I need to add a decimal and a 0. And I'm going to go ahead and bring my 0 down. And I know that 5 can go into 24 times. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract it out, I get 0. When I get none, I am done. I must also bring my decimal up into my answer, so I get 9 and 4/10. Okay, number 15, we needed to look at 11 hundredths. They wanted us to write 11 hundredths as a decimal, and we should know that we write that as 0.11, and because our last one is in the hundredths place, that means that that is 11 hundredths. Number 16, they're asking us which is more, 5 quarters or 5 dimes. Well, I know that a quarter is worth 25 cents, and I know that a dime is worth 10 cents. And so I know if I have 5 quarters, I just do 25 cents times 5. And if I do dimes, I do 10 cents times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 10, 11, 12. So that gets me $1.25. Whereas 10 dimes, that just gets me 50 cents. Okay? And so 5 quarters is definitely more money. 5 quarters. All right, and then let's take a look at our bell ringer. For number 4, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, it'll take Dan 3 hours and 10 minutes to drive from home to the airport. It'll take him another 40 minutes to get to the gate. He figures he needs 3.5 hours altogether to get from home to the gate. Is he right? Okay, so, well, when we think about this, all together tells us that we must add these up. So, I need to think about 3 hours and 10 minutes plus another 40 minutes. So, if I add up my time here, 10 minutes plus 40 minutes is going to get me 50 minutes. So that means altogether I have 3 hours and 50 minutes. I know that that's not 3.5 hours because 3.5 hours, a half of an hour is 30 minutes. So that would be 3 hours and 30 minutes, okay? So as I look over here in my explanation, no, because 3 hours and 10 minutes plus 40 minutes is more than 4 hours, which is not true because we know that that's not more than 4 hours. Yes, because I know that's wrong because we know it's not the same. Yes, I know that's wrong because we know it's not yes. So then no, because 3 hours, 10 minutes plus 40 minutes is more than 3.5 hours. Boom. That's our answer, okay? And so you saw me use the process of elimination here. I knew I could eliminate the yeses because I proved over here that 3 hours plus 10 minutes and 40 minutes is 3 hours and 50 minutes. So I knew I could take these out, and then I knew I could take this one out because 3 hours 50 minutes is not more than 4 hours, okay? So that only left one option here. All right, so our hashtag for the day is hashtag birthday. It's Thursday, but it is cold, so it's hashtag birthday.